Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. The appearance of the 2026 BMW M8 Competition is aggressive and aerodynamic, making it a high-performance vehicle. The iconic kidney grille of the BMW M, perhaps with a sleeker, more contemporary style. A selection of external carbon kits that include a spoiler, side mirrors, and a roof. The purpose of the front and rear bumpers is to enhance cooling and aerodynamics. The best lighting is provided by BMW laser technology combined with adaptive LED headlights. The engine and brakes are cooled by large air intakes at the front, Aerodynamic-designed M side mirrors, broad fender flares to make room for bigger wheels. Sporty and lightweight, these large M light alloy wheels are likely 20 or 21 inches in diameter. LED taillights with a distinctive style for exhaust tips make up the M exhaust system, which has a unique sound. Spoiler on the back for more downforce. For improved stability at high speeds, install a rear diffuser. All controls are easily accessible because to the dashboard's driver-focused design. The infotainment touchscreen and digital instrument panel are combined in the BMW curved display. M steering wheel with paddle shifters and multipurpose buttons. For simple voice control, use the BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant. M-specific HUD, which shows crucial information on the windshield. Automated climate control system with 4 zones. High-end sound system, ambient illumination that can be changed. Upgraded connection with the most recent iDrive infotainment system. High-quality merino leather for the dashboard, door panels, and seats. Accents of carbon fiber for a premium and athletic appearance. Options for individual interior trim in a range of hues and materials. M Sport seats that are electrically adjustable and have memory. Ideal lateral assistance for a fun and exciting ride. M carbon bucket seats are an option for a sportier appearance and reduced weight. Panoramic glass roof, optional. At the moment, a powerful 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine powers the BMW M8 Competition. BMW's high-performance M models are distinguished by its engine, which generates a substantial amount of power. This engine is renowned for responding quickly and performing at its best. Electricity is becoming more prevalent in the automobile sector. BMW is creating hybrid and electric cars in line with this trend. In the future, the BMW M8 may embrace electrification technology, either as a fully electric car or as a plug-in hybrid. It has been speculated that BMW will only continue to produce Grand Coupe variants of the 8 Series and M8, in keeping with BMW's aim of combining conventional and pure electric powertrains. Both are anticipated to provide both combustion engine ICE and pure electric choices. The xDrive all-wheel drive AWD technology, a crucial component of the BMW M8, is probably going to get better.